Hi friends, welcome to Rasoi Eliza's kitchen. Real home, real cooking. Occasion of Diwali is coming, so for that we are going to prepare a sweet snack. So this is a wheat flour shakarpare. It's similar to diamond cuts, but they are salted and these are sweeter one. And diamond cuts we normally make with all-purpose flour, and this we are making in a healthier version. So we are using wheat flour. Okay, so what all ingredients we need for this recipe I will be telling you now. First we need 2 cup of wheat flour. Okay, so I have measured with this 2 cups. Okay, so 2 cups of wheat flour. Then I have taken half a cup of sugar. Okay, you can use a granulated sugar, you can use powdered sugar also. Okay, but normally at home you will only get the granulated one, so use that, and I have taken half a cup. Then you need so for dough you can use water, but you want it to be more tastier, then use milk. Okay, this is 1/4 cup of milk, but with this milk I have added 2 tablespoons of water also. Okay, then 1/4 cup of clarified butter or ghee. Okay, then we need a semolina. Okay, suji 2 tablespoons, and with a little twist I have added some sesame seed also. So 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of sesame seed. Then you need oil for deep frying. Okay friends, first we will just warm the mixture of milk and water so that we can dissolve our sugar. Okay, and guys, when you are making only with the plain water, not adding milk, then whenever you are boiling water, just add sugar so that it will dissolve, and then you can prepare the dough. Okay, so here I have added milk. Now with that I will be adding sugar. Okay, now I'll just warm it so that sugar will dissolve. Okay, so here the gas stove flame I have kept in low to medium, because we just want it to be warm, we don't want it boiling. Okay, so we just kept on low to medium heat. So I'll just give a mix so that this sugar can dissolve. Okay friends, so sugar is dissolved, so we will just switch off the gas and let it cool down little bit, because we need only warm. Okay friends, now we have to start kneading the dough. For that, here in this wheat flour, 2 cup of wheat flour, I'll first add semolina, suji or rava, anything you can say. This is 2 tablespoons. Okay, so this I have mixed. Now to this I will be adding melted clarified butter or ghee. This what I am doing, it is called मोइन करना. Okay, तो हम आटे को मोइन करना है. So you have to knead the hand. And clarified butter should mix nicely with the wheat flour and semolina. So if you are doing with spoon, it will not work properly. So you have to mix it properly. It's nicely मोइन इन द सेंस अगर इसमें बढ़िया से मोइन आया है या नहीं ये हमें कैसे पता लगेगा, हाउ विल नो। हाँ, सो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, विल जस्ट टेक दिस थिंग इन हैंड एंड लाइक वी विल मेक, विल क्लोज अ रिस्ट, ओके, लाइक दिस, एंड सी a dumpling is ready. It's not breaking, in the sense it's nicely mixed, and when it's mixed or not you can know like this when you are doing this. Okay, this is a small trick. Now slowly we will be adding little by little the mixture of milk and sugar. So I will not add too much, very little I will add in starting, and need the dough, and we need a hard dough for this, not soft dough. Okay, nice and hard dough we need. At this moment we will be adding some sesame seeds also, and again we will mix it so that sesame seed can also mix with other ingredients. Okay friends, we have finished in kneading the dough for shakarpare. Okay, now we need to roll it and cut in the desired shape, and then we have to deep fry it. Okay guys, I have taken a rolling board. I'll grease it with little bit of oil. With the same dough I have taken one big ball and flatten it little bit like this. Okay, then add little bit of oil on the top, or ghee, anything. Okay, like this, so that it should not stick on the rolling board. Okay, like this. We don't need too thin. Okay, not too thin, not too thick. Now with one knife we will cut. I am cutting in square shape. You can make any shape. So friends, it should not be more thicker than this. Can you see? Not more than thick, more thicker than this. You can't. Then it will not cook from inside. Okay, only this much thickness. Now I'll prepare all and then I'll show you how we are frying it. As you can see, the oil is hot enough. Now we will be adding these shakarpara slowly. And from medium to low heat you have to cook them. It should not be very high. Very slow handed I will be. Okay friends, this much color is enough. Okay, because this is wheat flour. After some time also it will change the color, so this much color is enough, and remove it out. Hi friends, so our shakarpara with wheat flour is ready. So do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and support and love my channel. And your support and love I can only see when you are subscribing me, liking my channel, and sharing my channel. So thanks all my lovely subscribers. A happy and prosperous Diwali.